A what? Lighter? Okay, let's get started. The USB lighter is a modern and stylish way to light up any situation. This compact, rechargeable lighter is designed with an elegant metal body and a USB charging port, making it an ideal choice for a range of different applications. The USB lighter is an incredibly convenient and versatile tool. It is powered by a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about running out of fuel or refilling the lighter. Plus, its USB charging port makes it easy to charge from any USB power adapter or computer. The flame is wind-resistant and adjustable, so it can be used for a variety of tasks, from lighting a candle or a campfire to lighting a cigar or cigarette. The USB lighter is incredibly safe and reliable. Additionally, the body is designed to be splash-proof, making it suitable for use in wet or damp environments. Overall, the USB lighter is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a convenient and stylish way to light up their activities.